Yeah, so you're starting the session. Right, so this voice of the organism, we talked about that it helps us to attain the primary growth, which is the physical growth, physical expansion. Why it is being observed that way? Because the voice of the organism is driven by the physical entity. The 5 tools we have which supports the voice of the organism, which are nothing but our 5 sense organs. This is very much physical indication to continue with any experience or not is guided through the sense organs, and sense organs are eyes, ear, nose, tongue and touch. Eyes, ear, nose, tongue and touch. It has got a specific order. If you observe, I started with eyes, then ears, then nose, then tongue, then skin.
And then skin.
Yes. So these 5 sense organs, actually, if you remember the density wise aspect, then the density is actually increasing slowly and gradually, because eyes receives light. Let me take a notepad, and that it will be easier to understand. So eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Light is received by the eyes, sound is received by the ears, smell is received by the nose, taste is received by the tongue, and touch is received by the skin. So these 5 tools and these 5 physical aspects which are received. Try and understand the density aspect here. The density is going up, up, up and up. It has a contribution towards our health.
How
So
the density is increasing?
the light is the least dense out of the five entry. The light is the least dense, then the sound, then the smell, then the taste, then the touch. The density of the light is lesser than the density of the sound, and then density of the smell is further. It has got a particle, as the photon particle and phonon particles are massless. The density is negligible. And then the density starts from the smell particle. Then the taste is further denser, and the touch is the highest density. The receiving entry, the physical entry, are these 5 entry, and these will actually direct us whether we should continue with the specific experience or not. I see Binod. Binod, are you listening to me? Binod? Sir, can you be static and listen to this? A lot of movement I observe at your end, which might restrict your absorption. Sir, can you hear me? Binod? Yes, thank you. Thank you. Now you're static, it seems. Because this is the most important topic of Pure Nature Cure. So, yeah. Is it again unstable, my internet connection? I see everybody frozen. Am I audible, guys? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, okay.
Disturb, like there was some breakage. Now it's fine.
Okay, okay. Right. So those 5 entry are the primary entry of the physical entity, right? That lead us to continue or discontinue with some experience.
Is everyone experiencing a break of Kalyan sir's voice, or is it just
Yes, yes.
maybe, sir? If you can.
Hello.
We can't hear you.
I have big his her.